This shampoo is used to treat dandruff and a certain scalp infection called seborrheic dermatitis. It helps reduce itching, flaking, irritation, and redness of the scalp. Selenium sulfide is also used for a skin condition called tinea versicolor, which causes discoloration of the skin. This shampoo belongs to a class of medications called anti-infectives, and it works by slowing the growth of the yeast that causes the infection. It is best to use this shampoo as directed by your doctor. Typically, it is used once or twice a week for dandruff, and for tinea versicolor, it is used daily for a certain period of time. It's best to use it at a time that is convenient for you, such as during your regular shower routine. This medication is meant to be used on the skin only. Some brands may need to be shaken before use, so be sure to check the product package. Before applying the medication, make sure to remove any jewelry to avoid damage. Avoid contact with the eyes, inside the nose or mouth, and any areas of broken or inflamed skin to prevent irritation. If contact occurs, flush the area with plenty of water and consult your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions about proper usage. For the treatment of dandruff or scalp dermatitis, wet the scalp and massage the medication onto the wet scalp. Leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Some brands may require a second application, so be sure to check the product package. This medication is usually used 1 or 2 times per week to treat dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis. For the treatment of tinea versicolor, apply selenium sulfide to the affected skin, lather with a small amount of water, and leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. If the medication comes into contact with genital areas or skin folds, rinse the area well with water to prevent irritation. This medication is usually applied once daily for 7 days, or as directed by your doctor. Remember to wash your hands after using selenium sulfide and do not leave it on for longer than directed, as this will not speed up the healing process but may increase side effects. If your condition worsens or does not improve, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist promptly. If you experience skin irritation, dry skin, oily or dry hair/scalp, or temporary hair loss, you should discontinue the use of selenium sulfide shampoo and consult your doctor or pharmacist. Hair discoloration may occur, but you can reduce this by thoroughly rinsing your hair after each treatment. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, it's because they believe that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before using selenium sulfide shampoo, make sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. It's important to discuss any inactive ingredients that may cause allergic reactions or other issues. Also, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any red, irritated, or broken skin before using this shampoo. This medication is not recommended for children under 2 years old, so it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using it on a child. If you are using selenium sulfide shampoo for tinea versicolor during pregnancy, it should only be used when clearly needed. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor before using this shampoo. It's unclear whether this medication passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult with your doctor before using it if you are breastfeeding. While there are no reports of harm to nursing infants, it's best to discuss this with your healthcare provider. When using selenium sulfide shampoo, it's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions. These interactions could impact how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Always seek your doctor's approval before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If this shampoo is accidentally ingested, it can be harmful. In case of an overdose, with symptoms like passing out or trouble breathing, immediately call 911 or reach out to a poison control center. U.S. residents can contact their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canada residents can call a provincial poison control center. Remember, Keep this product out of the reach of children and pets to avoid accidental ingestion. Make sure to use Selenium Sulfide Shampoo as directed by your doctor or pharmacist. Read and follow all the directions on the product package. If you have any questions about how to use the shampoo, ask your doctor or pharmacist. Selenium sulfide is used to treat dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, and tinea versicolor, a fungus infection that causes skin discoloration. This medication is for use on the skin only. Do not use it on the scalp that is broken or irritated. For the treatment of dandruff, use the shampoo twice a week for 2 weeks, then once a week for 2 weeks, and then as directed by your doctor. For the treatment of seborrheic dermatitis and tinea versicolor, use the shampoo twice a week for 2 weeks, then as directed by your doctor. Apply the shampoo to the affected skin and massage it in gently. Allow it to remain on the skin for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with water. If the shampoo gets into your eyes, rinse them well with water. Be sure to use Selenium Sulfide Shampoo regularly to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, use it at the same times each day. If you forget to use the shampoo, use it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and use the next one at the regular time. Don't use extra shampoo to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to store your Selenium Sulfide Shampoo at room temperature and avoid freezing it. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it's expired or no longer needed, be sure to properly discard the product. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.